Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to GK session. Today we are going to learn lesson number 42, Writer's Block Part 1. So, what is meant by a writer? A writer is a person who communicates ideas through writing. So, writer is the one who communicates his ideas, thoughts, and expressions of different things through writing. And different styles and techniques are used by writers to produce various forms of literary art. The different writers or authors have their own style of writing in order to produce various forms of literary art. Here are given some of the names of the writers as well as some of the books written by them. You have to match the correct name of the book with the writer. So let us start. First book is War and Peace, and the writer or author of this book is Leo Tolstoy. Here you can see here this is Leo Tolstoy, and his full name is Count Lev Nikolaevich Tolstoy, and he is usually referred to in English as Leo Tolstoy. And he was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. So the book named War of Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy, and the full name of Leo Tolstoy is Count Lev Nikolaevich Tolstoy, but he is referred to as Leo Tolstoy in English. And he was a Russian writer, and he is considered as greatest authors of all time. And anytime he is considered, all the time he is considered as a greatest author or writer. Author means writer all the time. Next one, the second book is If I Am Assassinated. This book is written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was a Pakistani barrister and a politician. He was a Pakistani barrister and he is the politician of Pakistan, and he served as 9th Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1973 to 77. So he was the Prime Minister, 9th Prime Minister of Pakistan during the year from 1973 to 77, and prior to that as the 4th President of Pakistan from 1971 to 73. Before he became the Prime Minister as 9th Prime Minister from year 1973 to 77, he was the 4th President of Pakistan from the year 1971 to 1973. So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was a Pakistani politician, and the book If I Am Assassinated was written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. Next book name is Paradise Lost, which is written by John Milton. About John Milton was an English poet and intellectual who served as a civil servant for the Commonwealth of England under its Council of State and later under Oliver Cromwell. So John Milton, he was a intellectual as well as a poet, and he served as the civil servant for the Commonwealth of England and under its Council of State, under the Commonwealth of England and its Council of State, and under Oliver Cromwell also he served as a civil servant. And the book Paradise Lost was written by John Milton. Moving on to the next one, the name of the next book is The Descent of Man, and the writer is Charles Darwin. So The Descent of Man, the book is written by Charles Darwin. About Charles Darwin, his full name is Charles Robert Darwin, who was an English naturalist, geologist and biologist, best known for his contributions to the science of evolution. His proposition that all species of life have descended over time from common ancestors is now widely accepted and considered a foundational concept in science. So this Charles Darwin, he was a naturalist, English naturalist, geologist as well as a biologist, and he has made many contributions to the science of evolution, especially about descent. That is, his proposition that he proposed that all species of life, that means all species of life means every species, even human, men, plants, everything. So all species of life have descended over time from common ancestors, and that proposition which done by this Charles Darwin is widely accepted, and it is considered as the foundational concept in science. This descent theory which he has proposed, that all species of life have descended from their ancestors, is considered as a foundational concept in science. Now, moving to the next one. Next book is Revenge, and the writer or author of this book is Taslima Nasrin. Taslima Nasrin is a Bangladeshi Swedish writer, physician, feminist, secular humanist, and human rights activist. She is known for her writing on women's oppression and criticism of religion despite forced exile. Some of her books are banned in Bangladesh. She has been blacklisted and banished from the Bengal region. So this book, Revenge, is written by Taslima Nasrin, and she is a Bangladeshi Swedish writer as well as physician, feminist, and secular humanist, and also she is a human right activist. She worked for the human right, and she is very well known for her writing on women's oppression. Oppression means abuse. He writes about women's abuse and criticism of religion, religious problems. She has written criticism of religion, and despite forced exile. The forced exile means she was forced to leave away from the native country or home. So despite of that, she have the courage to write about women abuse and criticism of religion. And some of her books are banned in Bangladesh. So some of the books written by her are being banned because of the problems she has pointed out. It may create problems to others, so these books are banned in Bangladesh, and she has been blacklisted and banished from the Bengal region. And she was blacklisted in Bengal region and banished from the Bengal region. That means she cannot live in Bengal region. She moved away from there and living somewhere else. She has been exiled from Bengal region. So this book Revenge is written by Taslima Nasrin. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is Mein Kampf. It is written by Adolf Hitler. You know very well about Hitler. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and the leader of the Nazi Party. He rose to power as the Chancellor of Germany in 1933 and then as Führer in 1934. During his dictatorship from 1933 to 1945, he initiated World War II in Europe by invading Poland on 1st September 1939. So, about Adolf Hitler, he was a German politician and the leader of Nazi Party. You know very well about Adolf Hitler. You have already studied in SS. So he was a German politician, and he rose to power. When he came to power, he was the Chancellor of Germany in 1933, and then became the Führer in 1934. Führer means leader or guide. His Führer term is meant for Adolf Hitler only. And during his dictatorship, what is dictatorship? That also you have studied in SS. That during his rule, there is a sole rule. His rule, whatever he says, that will be the rule. So during his rule from 1933 to 45, he initiated World War II in Europe by invading Poland on 1st September 1939. So during his rule, he paved the way for World War II in Europe by invading to Poland on date 1st September 1939. Moving on to the next one. Next the book is A Bunch of Old Letters, which is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You know very well about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India as well as central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. So you know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was our first Prime Minister of independent India, and he was an Indian independent activist, and he, he was a central figure in Indian politics before and after independence. Next one. Next book is The Adventures of Rusty, which was written by Ruskin Bond. So, Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landour, Missouri, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So, Ruskin Bond, he is an Indian author of British descent. British descent means his origin is British. So, he is of British origin, but he is an Indian author because he lives with his adopted family, because he is adopted by an Indian family. So, he lives with his adopted family in Landour, Missouri, India. And Indian Council for Child Education also recognized his growth for children's literature in India, because he plays a good role in children's literature, growth of children's literature in India. Moving on to the next one. The book name is As You Like It, which is written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. So, the book named As You Like It was written by William Shakespeare, and William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor. He was an English poet as well as an actor, and he is regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is the greatest dramatist, world's greatest dramatist, as well as the great English writer. And he is often called England's national poet, and he is called as England national poet as well as Bard of Avon. Bard means poet. Of Avon means he was born and buried in Stratford upon Avon, England. It was the name of the place, so he is considered as the poet of Avon, the place where he was born and buried. Okay, so next one, the book name is The Big Heart, and the writer is Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of lives of the poor caste in traditional Indian society. So Mulkraj Anand, he was an Indian writer in English. He writes in English, but he was an Indian writer, and he is famous for his depiction of lives of the poorer caste. Depiction means he shows a true representation of the lives of the poor caste in traditional Indian society. The poor caste are very ill treated by the high caste people, and he has a popularity in showing, or he brings out that in his writings he shows out, or he represented the lives of poor caste people in traditional Indian society, which brings light towards the other people to know about the lives of poor caste in traditional Indian society. So the book The Big Heart was written by Mulkraj Anand. Okay. The rest of this lesson let us continue in our next session. Till then, thank you.